Now this is an obvious one, but what did Napoleon Bonaparte, the once tallest building on Earth, the Singer Tower of Manhattan, and Ingrid Bergman have in common? Kitchens. They all had kitchens. I'm making a galley for the boat. The galley will double as a helm for the boat. Keeping it lightweight, the face frame for the unit will be what holds it all together. The unit will contain a fridge, some drawers, a pantry to the left, 2 stainless steel sinks. The left one won't be plumbed in. Instead, it will hold 2 propane burners for cooking. A solution that I've never seen before. Maybe you have. In that case, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. It's getting late, and I'm done tinkering in SketchUp. I think I'll get some sleep and get started fabricating first thing in the morning.
WMIP for you. 95.6 FM, all the time.
Good morning. It's 5:15 a.m. and just a moment. That's right.
Install. Well, it looks like it's going to work. So I made and attached the internal frames off camera. They weren't very exciting. The next step, however, which is fitting the countertop with the 2 sinks. That's going to be a lot of fun, but it will have to wait until the next video. So make sure to join me next time. And remember, if you have a comment, be sure to tell a friend and have that friend write it in the comment section below. That's the only way I'll hear about it. That's all for now. Have a good day. And oh yeah, be sure to check out my Patreon.